What is up, Pensters? Super Pen is back with another reaction video, with today's reaction being BFDIE 4. As if you guys can already tell by the title, this episode is called Insectophobe's Nightmare Zero. How fitting, considering Teapot 21's going to be coming out next week. And also, based on the looks of the thumbnail, it seems like this episode's challenge will be a snowball challenge. That is also very fitting because I live in Boston, and in a couple of days, Boston's going to be getting hit with a really, really big snowstorm. So, yeah. But without further ado, let's get into BFDIE 4, shall we?
I don't remember turning the lights off. Where is the switch again? Ah, there it is.
Surprise!
Wow, this is so nice. No one's ever done anything like this for me
Merry
before.
Christmas.
Huh, what's going on?
What?
Hello? I can't move.
They tricked him.
Thank you, Sidewalkie. Hello, contestants. Today I've got a very special challenge for you all. It's a snowball fight. The rules are simple. Get hit with a snowball, and you're out.
That's it? No rankings? No safety? Just one slip up and it's game over?
Yes, now is everyone ready?
That was
Go.
lousy.
Why are you running? We're allies.
We're not allies. You're a backstabber.
What? Because of beach ball? You killed them too, Sticker.
At least I had the decency to cry before doing it. You didn't even think twice.
So no more Cheaters Alliance?
I can cheat on my own, thank you.
Well then, don't worry. I can too.
But Sticker technically isn't out of the challenge, because all that happened to him was he got burnt.
A flamethrower? It never ends with these people. Ruler, we have to stop Rose.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Are you forgetting that you are the henchman?
Yeah, but
Why are you still talking? I require an igloo to protect me from any snowballs that may be flung my way.
Fine.
Oh, I can't believe this is so stupid. Build faster, henchman! Next time someone might come up who can actually aim. I heard that!
Has anyone gotten hit yet?
I don't think so.
Why are you just standing there?
Why move? You're not moving.
I guess you're right.
Get back here, enemy! I don't even know what I did this
What?
time!
But I thought Toothpaste and Fern were friends!
Paste is annoying, isn't she?
Yeah, she can be. Oh my god.
Get ready to die, enemy! No!
Oh, thank god.
Whoa. Well, that's that problem dealt with. Why do you have that?
Try and throw a snowball
Run.
at me.
Really? Okay, then. That's cool and all, but I don't think it's fair to use that. I mean, no one else has a flamethrower.
Fern, I said
That
run.
was mean.
Oh, hey! Wanna help me screw over Rose?
Yes.
Yeah. This is gonna be good. But you can't burn Sidewalkie.
You'll pay for that!
Oh no.
Shoot, I totally thought this was a shortcut.
Wait, so we're stuck?
It's fine. She's only gonna kill us, and then we'll be recovered. It's not like she's gonna get us out. Me and my big mouth.
get the snowball.
Aw, look at him.
Yep, insectophobe's
Cute.
nightmare.
No.
Oh, no.
Has anyone gotten hit yet?
I don't think so. Do you want to try that again?
Ha! Stupid bugs.
I don't blame them. They probably didn't think they were susceptible to freezing.
Oh, just be quiet.
Want to say that again?
I am so awesome. What?
Flamethrower.
Oh, do you have any idea how bad the housing market is right now?
I wasn't expecting that, but that was pretty badass of Rose.
I'll get you for this, Rose. You will pay.
Need help? We'll both make her pay.
That sounds good. Let's do it.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna pretend that didn't happen.
Mom! Please, Rose, you don't have to do this. We can work together. We can be allies.
Enjoy ninth place, Jammy. What? No, stop!
Yes! I did it, guys! I eliminated Rose! I took out the great evil that...
Wait, what?
No, stop!
Oh, okay. I thought Rose simply shattered, but Fern threw a snowball at Rose after she froze.
Yes! I did it, guys! I eliminated Rose! I took out the great evil that plagued us all! We're free now, guys! We're free!
But does that technically count since Rose was already frozen and dead?
I was gonna do that.
Has anybody gotten hit yet?
Yeah, actually. I think Rose just got hit.
Oh, that's the end then. Thanks for being
Okay.
my lookout, Needle.
Don't call me that, please.
We were expecting that eventually, for someone to call Needy Needle. Alright, so Rose is out.
Ta-da! You all forgot about me, didn't you? Yep, I was pretty smart this time, if I do say so myself. I've been hiding in here since Rose incinerated me.
The cake this time is flan.
What?
Whoa! David, were you hiding in your recovery center this whole time? David, that is genius!
If I
I almost forgot David wasn't in this episode.
already have a henchman, you'd be my next pick for sure, D-Man.
Poor sticker.
What the? Get off! What's wrong with you?
Vote for your favorite contestant. These will be added to the votes from last time. These votes will be important later.
Oh, we're even playing Christmas music. Even though Christmas was a month ago.
Wow, thank you, Fern. We are no longer enemies.
I knew that. We're just gonna repeat this all over again, aren't we? That does it for this video, guys. This was a really fun challenge, especially considering it is the winter time. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, I will see you Pensters later.